Hello guys, uh, if you want to check the live webcam, just go to the skyline and you can check the live camera. Maybe the authorities can check the live webcam. You can check the skyline webcams, no? Can you go there?
Ano yan? Order ka na naman.
Hindi. Ayan. Just in front of Papagayo. In front of the Papagayo. Check here, Spain, and then you can choose from the area you want to look after, so they will not they will check all the details. Now the skyline have details that happen in Tenerife. Now you can check the area Playa de Troja, Las Americas, where the riots
Ano ka naman?
Playa de Costa de Tenerife. There have some many area that you can check. And that is impossible that they will going to delete it because this is the webcam, no? This is a live webcam, no? They can delete all of the copy of the events of in June 15 or June 17 of 2024. Maybe Warren can contact the skyline, no? So they can check the copy of the events, no? There's a lot here. Because we can't name drop of the persons because we're going to paste that we get if there are not involved, it could be slandering person or defaming. We don't want we're not going to ruin others' lives, no, because we are not there in the area of Masca, no, or in the Tenerife. All that can speak of it are the one that involved, no, including of the person there who of the world going to speak out and tell the truth, no? But God, God will going to see their minds and heart. So the all around the Spain there have a webcam, no? Impossible to delete all the videos, no? Because there have no authority in the Skyline, no? Skyline webcam is the private website that can ano only authorities are can manage of that ano about the events, no? They are not aware, no? Only can ask for the copy of the web live video of ano what is it, the live copy is the person or the family, example Devi, Sak, or Warren, because they are having cases, no? It's depend on the family if they can, if they asking for a copy, no? And maybe the authorities of Lancashire, of course, because they are the residents of Lancashire. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching Twister 1914. See you on another video. Bye bye.